Forex trading is one of the most lucrative industry anybody can find himself. So grateful for the opportunity to be a forex trader. I'm so grateful because I know the privilege, the advantage, the things I can get through trading, the kind of lifestyle I can get, the way I'll be able to take care of my family, other people that will also be able to help as a result of just being a forex trader. So I came across trading in 2019 through one of my brothers. Back then he was trading, well, I guess someone was trading for him, so it wasn't much of he was one doing the trading. So I think all of a sudden I just kind of developed interest, because I'm this kind of person that I always want to do something for myself. I'm this kind of person that has this entrepreneurial type of spirit. So I started trading in 2019, was just doing it. I wasn't even sure, was just doing it, moving average, indicator, blah blah blah, best strategy to flip $10 to 10,000, just doing it back then, and a lot of stuff was just happening, and I wasn't so much learning, but I just wanted to make money. I saw a get rich quick scheme kind of thing. Then fast forward to 2022, where I decided I wanted to learn forex. I really want to learn forex, so I now devoted time for learning, took courses, all of those, and then now I started trading, funding an account. So that's why I'm here. So everyone, my name is Fola Victor. I'm a forex trader. So here, welcome to my YouTube channel. You'll be getting the best values as a forex traders. You'll get the psychology videos that has to do with psychology, because I feel like one of the things I really want to talk about in my channel is psychology when it comes to forex, because I feel like a lot of people are focusing much of their attention on the strategy, whereas the main problem is the psychological part of ourselves, because the way human beings are being structured, we don't want to take risk. Our brain doesn't want to do anything that will cause us or harm us or look like threats or pain to us. So I feel like a lot of people are not focusing on the psychological aspect of trading, and that's why we have a lot of people failing in that industry. That's why I said forex trading is one of the best things you can do, but at the same time you just see a lot of people are failing in that industry. Even the best of people in other fields, the best of doctors, intelligent people, so you just see people fail because they don't really understand the fact that, because some people will say forex trading is actually 80% psychology, and my mentor, the person I follow, will say forex trading is 60% psychology and the others. So on my YouTube channel, we're going to be talking more about psychology, and also we're going to be doing more of motivations, because I won't lie to you, in this industry it's not easy at all. It's not easy because a lot of people, not because they don't have enough reasons to keep going, but to be sincere and to be real with ourselves, when you are doing something and it doesn't quite feel like it, and you're still losing money, you go there today, you lose money, you go there tomorrow, you lose money, it's hard to stay motivated. So as a forex trader, one of the things that we can do for ourselves is keep ourselves going, motivate ourselves through the hard times. We motivate ourselves through our losses, through our wins, because I won't lie to you, it's not only wins that motivates people. When people see you losing, when the people are looking up to you and they see you lose, they also kind of feel like, okay, it's not only me that is losing, even the person that I'm looking up to is losing. So there's a chance that I can also still go again. So I'll be doing a lot of motivations too on this channel. We're getting a lot of values when it comes to motivation, psychology, and also a little bit of lifestyle and interviews. So that's pretty much what this YouTube channel will be about. And okay, recently I funded an account. I primarily now trade derivative. I trade purely volatility index 75, because one of the things I've learned in my course of my period of learning over the last 3-4 months, 5 months is when you are focused on one thing. I think there's one Chinese man, I've forgotten his name right now. He said if he is a person that has practiced a single kick 1,000 times than a person that has practiced different 1,000 kicks. So when you do something, when you do a single thing over and over and over and over and over again, it kind of makes it makes you more good in that particular thing, compared to the fact that you're doing different things. You're trading gold, you're trading GU, you're trading every different type of pairs. Only you're trading like different 5 pairs. So I focused on only trading volatility in the 75. So right now I'm a synthetic trader. Though coming up I'll be doing more of forex trading, but personally like this I'm only trading volatility in the 75, and I'm going to be showing my progress, how the money I've deposited, how I've been able to move it, explaining what I did, how I came up with the setups, and so on. So that's pretty much what you guys will be getting on this channel. So I want you guys to join me in my journey as a forex trader. I'm documenting everything that I'll be doing as a forex trader on my YouTube channel. You guys will really get value. You guys really get value. I won't lie to you. You really get value. So you guys should subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a like if you enjoy the video, and follow up my journey. You're going to get there. We're all going to be successful with the adequate level of discipline and hard work. We're going to be successful. That's one thing that is in forex trading, because I feel like a lot of people that are not successful in forex trading, the problem is because they give up. That's also one of the reasons why I said that I want all of us to be motivated. Everybody must get to their goals. So because a lot of people trading forex, they do it. They do it wholeheartedly, but all of a sudden you just see that this person has stopped trading forex. What's happening? So that's why I said we have to keep ourselves motivated. So far as you want to really do this thing, you are ready to do it, you will get there. We'll get it together. So with the adequate level of hard work and discipline, we are going to get there. No doubt. We're going to make the blues. So thank you guys for following through to the end of this video. I really appreciate you guys. So if there's any particular type of content that you feel like you want me to put on my channel, you can just give a comment in the comment section. Say your view. What do you think about this video? What do you think about my post video on YouTube? What do you think? So I really want to hear what you guys have to say. And if there's anything you want me to talk about, just put it in the comment section. I'm going to attend to everything there. Thank you.